Hello students. In this series, I'm going to demonstrate how to solve practice 1, which was given to you, and I will have each question answered in a separate video for you to be able to go through one by one and practice on them even more. Now, the first thing you're going to do, you will have to add your access code and then you will start the attempt. Once you open start attempt, it will give you a limit of 90 minutes only. So you'll have to finish everything within the time limit that is given to you. So the first thing to do is to start and open an empty 3ds Max file. Change the units to centimeters, set the grade to 1 centimeter. So I'll start doing this. I will go to customize, and then I will go to unit setup, and I will change the unit to centimeters. This is the display unit scale. Then don't forget about the system unit setup as well. So you need to change it to centimeters. After this, I will click on OK. And I will have to set the grid to 1 centimeters. So I will right click on snap and I'll go to home grid and change the grid spacing to 1 centimeter. So now I've changed that. Another thing that you need to do in every file that you open, even if it's not mentioned here, is to open Angle Snap. You will have to save the file. In case you lost it, you will be able to get backup. So I will go to Save As or Save in the beginning and select where you want to save this file, and I'll save it as Practice 1. And it's preferable that you create a folder so you can add each question inside this folder in a separate file. So this is Practice 1, and then I will open it and save this file. So don't forget to do this every time you start any new file. You have to change all these settings. Another thing that you need to check is your snap points. So for these snap points or the snap settings, you will change them according to the question. If the question needs grid, you need to use the grid. You will open or you will select grid points from here. If you are not using the grid in your section, in your question, then you don't need to open grid points. You can just keep vertex, endpoint, and midpoint. And if you need anything else, you can open it as well when you need it and close it when you don't. Okay. You will see in the instructions that each page will include one or more questions. You will need to do these steps using 3ds Max software in order to get the answers. And make sure to delete everything in your file with every new page. So now I am in page 1. When I go to the next page, it will give me a question. And you will see at the top it says delete everything you created in the previous question. But this is our first question, so no need to do anything. Now, after you are done with the first question, you can move to the next one. Again, you will delete everything and so on. If you have any doubts, you don't know how to do this question, just move to the next one and then you can click on previous to go back to the previous question and so on. So please make sure to do all these steps when you are working on the practice or even on the midterm exam or your final exam.